This is the Reaver 196, Ellis Reaver 196. Help video will show you how to operate the fan. Pretty straightforward. We've got some buttons up there, and then we've got a little turner, and that opens the vent. And you'll see the vent going up. So we turn it clockwise there. Okay, when it's open, what we'll basically do is press the button there, and we'll get a couple of lights coming on. And then what we've got there is the little light is coming up here, which means the vent out. So it defaults to vent out. I can press it again and it starts to go faster, or I can actually slow it down by pressing the opposite button, and that decreases it. Okay, and then once the fan has stopped, if I press the button again, but with the arrow down, that brings air in, and depending on how many times I press it, I can either speed up there, and then to slow it down, press this button. Okay. To turn it off, just press the off button, that one there, and then what we'll do is do it anti-clockwise. That'll bring the vent down. Okay, you've also got a blackout blind on here. Squeeze these together, that goes all the way across, and then that locks into position.